update on the Shelton house. We do have the interior wall almost out. We've got most of the flooring out. You can see we've got a lot of joists that have to be replaced. A lot of work to do here. Some of the cabinets are out. Still got some more that come out. Got the chimney out, and where they had cut the ceiling joist, well, we're fixing that. And then we're going to strengthen up this wall underneath here so the weight of that ceiling joist can come down through a couple of studs that we're putting here. And we're gonna 16-inch distance from this one to right here, which will put it right underneath that ceiling joist and carry the weight down to here. Then of course we've got to do something about this flooring here where the chimney was while we're doing these floor joists. So, like I said, this is what real estate investing looks like, and this is where the money is either made or lost, other than the purchase price. If you want to see more, just check out our Shelton House playlist or our real estate playlist. Till the next video, wishing all our #InsaneFriends insane growth.